Most people don't fail in life because they're lazy. They fail because they are investing in the wrong things. They spend their 20s chasing status instead of building structure. They try to look wealthy before they actually are. But wealth doesn't grow in public. Wealth grows in silence, in private routines, in small daily decisions, in the things nobody sees. The wealthy use their early years to plant seeds that grow for decades. And if you learn these 5 investments before age 30, you won't just have more money, you'll have control over your time, your choices, and your future. Let's begin. 1. Invest in your skills. Before wealth can exist outside of you, it must exist within you. Your skills are your most powerful asset because they determine how much you earn, what opportunities you attract, how replaceable you are, how much control you have over your life. Most people stop learning after school. But school teaches information. The real world rewards skill. High-income skills. These are skills that make you valuable in the marketplace. Copywriting, sales and negotiation, public speaking and communication, leadership and management, digital marketing, data and technology skills. These skills increase your earning power, continuously. Skill stacking. True advantage happens when you combine skills. Someone who knows marketing earns well. Someone who knows marketing plus storytelling earns more. Someone who knows marketing plus storytelling plus negotiation becomes unstoppable. Continuous reinvention. Your career will change. The world will change. The winners are those who keep adapting. The wealthy do not chase money. They increase their value, and money chases them. 2. Index funds. Once your income begins, your next focus is to preserve and grow it. But beginners often make one big mistake: they try to get rich by picking the right stock. That is not investing, that is gambling. 2.1 What is an index fund? An index fund is a basket of many companies grouped together. Instead of betting on one company to win, you bet on the entire economy growing over time. 2.2 Why this matters. You reduce risk. You reduce emotional decision-making. You benefit from long-term market growth. 2.3 How it works. You invest a little consistently, weekly or monthly. You don't check prices daily. You let time compound quietly. Example: $200 per month in an index fund from age 25, around $400,000 plus by 60. No genius. Just discipline. The wealthy don't chase quick returns. They let time multiply what they already have. 3. Build an emergency fund. This is the invisible shield that protects your progress. Most people skip this. And because of that, they end up starting over again and again. Why it matters. Life is unpredictable. A job ends. A market dips. A medical need appears. A responsibility changes. When you have no safety fund, you are forced to sell investments or take loans. This resets your progress. The rule. Save enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. What it gives you. Peace. Stability. Flexibility to make smart decisions. Time to wait for the right opportunities. Remember, wealthy people don't stay wealthy because they never fall. They stay wealthy because they were prepared to survive the fall. 4. Learn how real estate works. You don't need to buy property before 30. But you need to understand property before 30. Because real estate is wealth that grows slowly, but securely. Breakdown. Learn these core concepts: cash flow, money left after expenses. Cap rate, how well the property performs. Price-to-rent ratio, shows if renting or buying is smarter. Location trends, people movement drives value. Maintenance costs, buildings age. Why early understanding matters. Real estate requires timing, patience, and strategy. If you wait until you're desperate to learn, you'll make expensive mistakes. Real estate rewards long-term appreciation. Rental income. Tax advantages. Wealth stability. Real estate is slow. But slow wealth is stable wealth. 5. Your network. Your network is not who you know. It is who influences the way you think. Your environment shapes you. If you spend time with people who complain, you complain. People who learn, you learn. People who build, you build. Network types, mentors, people ahead of you. Peers, people growing with you. Students, people you teach, teaching reinforces mastery. This is how wealth grows quietly, because the right environment normalizes ambition. Increases your standards. Expands what you believe is possible. Your network is not about quantity. It is about alignment. Closing message, calm, reflective. If you are under 30, you are not behind. You are early. This is where the foundation is built. Success is not about doing everything fast. It is about doing the right things consistently. Your skills build your income. Your investments build your freedom. Your network shapes your mindset. Your emergency fund protects your progress. Your knowledge of real estate positions you for long-term power. Start now. Start small. Let time do its work. Because real wealth is built quietly.